Hey everyone, welcome to the Valor channel. Today I'll show you how to remove BitLocker encryption on Windows 10. Let's say I have a drive E that's encrypted with BitLocker. To do this, I'll open PowerShell as admin and enter these commands: manage BDE status. Then we select the drive we need. In my case, it's drive E, which has encryption, meaning BitLocker. This is where you'll see it's enabled. For example, I have drive E, so we'll disable BitLocker on it. Press enter. There. Next, type the command manage BDE of E and hit enter. Done. That's all there is to it. This has been Valor. Like and subscribe to the channel. This has been Valor. See you next time.